When people think of plants, they think of them as these static organisms that don't move and don't interact much with the environment. But in fact, plants are constantly interacting with the environment. My name is Vesna Bacheva. I'm a 2023 Schmidt Science Fellow, and I pivoted from mechanical engineering to plant science. And right now I'm working on developing new tools and methods to be able to communicate with plants. Understanding how to communicate with plants is very similar in learning a new language. They use electrical signals, they use molecules that evaporate in air. We believe they also use sounds. So now with my research, I'm trying to build tools and methods so we can be able to listen to the plant communication and understand how those processes are happening. In order for us to see those signals coming from the plants, we need to make them visible to us. If we can re-engineer plants so they can change the color of their leaves or the color of their flowers whenever the air is polluted, then we as humans, we would be able to read that information. I think what is unique about my research is that I get to be a bridge between the engineering and the plant science community. So coming from an engineering perspective, I know how to model things through equations, very specifically describe how things are happening. And right now I try to leverage those skills and combine them with biology and try to predict how a plant will respond to a changing environment. Biologists are very comfortable being in the unknown, and coming from an engineering background where I kind of want to have control, being in that complexity of unknown parameters at first made me very uncomfortable, but now I just learned how to embrace it. Biology, it is complex, it is messy, but somehow at the end it works. We need plants more than they need us. Until now, plants have supplied us with the resources we needed them to, but now with a changing climate, plants can no longer deal with such changes on such a fast timescale. I believe that we can harness plants as biosensors. If we're able to listen to that conversation, I think we will be able to understand what they need and when they need it. We depend so much on plants. We need to learn how to communicate.